Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying where the high contrast is coming from and why it matters. First, check whether this is a system accessibility setting, an app theme, or a monitor profile. These have different fixes. Once done, record the current look with a quick photo so you can compare later. Next, ensure you have basic gear: charger, display cable, and access to settings, because without those you cannot make or verify the changes you need. You now work through the settings that actually change contrast. On Windows, toggle high contrast and test each theme. On Mac OS, lower the increased contrast and disable invert colors. On mobile, check appearance or accessibility. Once you change one control, refresh the affected app to ensure it applies. Also inspect browser extensions or custom CSS that override system defaults. Disable them briefly to isolate the cause, because apps often reintroduce high-contrast styles. Finish by calibrating and verifying the results so your changes are permanent and accurate. Run a display calibration or use default color profiles. If the contrast persists, reboot into safe mode to see if third-party software causes it. Once isolated, uninstall or update the offending app or driver. If things go wrong, restore the backup or system restore point you made earlier. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.